Hi guys, my name is Bree and today I'm here with Ready Set Do to show you how to fold your own paper wallet. And believe it or not, you won't be needing any glue, scissors, or tape. You'll just need one sheet of 8.5 by 11 paper. So 8.5 by 11 type paper can range from a blank sheet of printer paper, it could be colored construction paper, or a designed paper like this that I got from Michael's. It has the hearts on the front and it's plain on the back. So this is the paper I'm going to use to fold my wallet today. So if you're using the same kind of paper as me, where it has a design on the front and nothing on the back, make sure we flip that around so the white part is facing you. So when you fold your wallet up, you'll be able to see the design on the outside and not the inside of your wallet. Trust me, I made that mistake so many times. So to get started with your A4 paper, we'll have it in landscape position like this, and then we're going to fold it in half like this. So I think this is called the hamburger style because it's thick. And we're just gonna fold it right down the center like that. And to get my creases really flat, I like to go in with my fingernail and really press down on it. All right, so once you have it folded like that, we're going to unfold it. And so now this pointy part of the fold should be facing you. It should be facing upwards. So now what we're gonna do is, we have both sides of this paper, right? Two sides are folded. We're gonna fold both sides so it meets in the middle here. And be careful not to exceed that line in the middle, otherwise your wallet will fold up weird at the end. So the left side of your paper here will stay folded, and we're going to open up the right side. And now you have two rectangles, and we're going to take this far right rectangle and fold that one in half like this. And be careful not to go over the line there. Make sure that crease is nice and flat. Okay, and then we're gonna take now it's an even smaller rectangle, we're gonna take that and fold it up like this. And the purpose of this fold is so that your wallet will have a little pocket on the inside. Okay, so now your paper should look like this, and what we're gonna do is flip it over. The pocket is on the right side, so when you flip it over, it should still be on the right side. So for the next step, we're gonna fold the bottom and the top portion up about 1 inch. And this is where the folds get a lot meatier and thicker, so you wanna make sure you get them nice and flat. Go in with your fingernail and try to flatten it as much as possible. Okay, and we're gonna do the same thing on the other side. All right, so this is where it gets a little bit tricky, so you wanna pay close attention to this next step. So at the bottom here, we have this new fold that we created. We wanna open this part of the fold so there's like a little pocket, right? We're gonna open that up and we're gonna take this corner and fold it into a little triangle. Just like that, and then we're gonna fold it back up. And we're gonna do the same thing to the other side. So we created this new fold. We're not gonna open it all the way. We're just gonna open it so it looks like a little pocket here. Take that corner and fold it like a triangle. Fold it right back up. All right, so now we're gonna turn our paper like this, so those new folds that we created with the little triangle corners is gonna be on top. So if this is on top, you could go ahead and fold it down so it's one big rectangle like this. And at this part, I like to go in and make sure all the folds are as flat as possible, because when you fold paper on top of each other so many times, it gets a lot thicker. But we want it to be nice and flat, so when our wallet folds up, it'll be perfect. All right, so now you have your big rectangle. Flip it over, and you should have your pocket on the bottom portion here. So there's a smaller pocket for your cards, and then a bigger pocket for cash. Now what we're gonna do is lift the top part of it up, and if you look on the side, you'll see that little flap that we just created. It's like a little pocket. You're gonna tuck the top part into it on both sides. just like that. All right, so now the other side, lift it up. There's this little pocket, tuck the top portion in to the side. Okay, and you probably guessed it, we're gonna have to fold again because now it's all misaligned. You wanna make sure it's flat. All right, so once everything's flattened out the way that you like it, what I like to do is put my hand on the right side of the wallet and bring the left side over so we can close it. We're gonna line it up just like this. And then also I like to stick my finger in the inner corner here to make sure everything is flat. And of course it's not going to be perfect, it's a paper wallet, so there will be some creases. But if you get it as flat as possible, it should fold really nicely when you put your cards and money inside. All right, there you go, and that is a paper wallet. You could use this, you could put 2 cards inside, you could put some money, you could put your grocery store list in there. And my favorite part is you don't need any glue to close this. All you do is tuck this part of your wallet inside that paper flap there. And boom, you have a paper wallet. All that you needed was a piece of A4 paper or 8.5 by 11 paper and these origami skills I just taught you.